Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
If your phone lacks 5G hardware, you can still access 5G networks with external devices. Consider three main options: a 5G mobile hotspot, a USB 5G modem, or tethering to a 5G-capable device. Each option uses a 5G radio that your old phone does not contain. You will need a compatible SIM card and an eligible data plan from your carrier. Check the carrier's supported bands like N41 or N78 to ensure coverage. Expect variable speeds depending on spectrum and signals. Buy a 5G mobile hotspot that supports bands N41, N78, or your carrier's specific frequencies. Insert the carrier SIM and follow activation steps through the carrier app or web portal. Power on the hotspot and set a secure Wi-Fi password for your phone to join. Optionally, use a USB cable to tether for lower latency and charging. Place the hotspot near a window to maximize reception. Monitor battery life and enforce data limits to avoid plan overages. Use a USB 5G modem or router with your computer and share internet via USB or Wi-Fi tethering. Plug the modem into a laptop and enable internet sharing to create a local network for your older phone. Alternatively, enable hotspot on a secondary 5G phone and connect your non-5G phone to that Wi-Fi network. Validate that your carrier allows tethering on your plan and supports SIM or eSIM swaps. Keep device firmware updated to maintain compatibility and security while using shared 5G access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.